Hi everyone, so today I'm here at Spa 26. My name is Jennifer. I come from the company Beetonic Group. So we are an Italian aesthetics company and we are here today to demonstrate our brand new technology called B-Tonic, which we'll be introducing to the spa straight after lockdown, so you can get yourselves all booked in. Now the Beetonic machine is basically a dual technology machine it's got two benefits. So the first benefit is that it actually tones your muscle, and how it tones the muscle is that it has very fast contractions. So in one session the machine can perform up to 36,000 contractions on your muscle, so it's going to really burn the muscle, which then really builds and grows, so you can really enhance an area or really tone or define an area in a very short time. The second action is that it's burning fat. So as the muscle is hardening, the layers on the layers of fat over the muscle are actually being burned away. So you're able to combat both concerns in one session. So we're going to just do a quick demonstration. Now the beauty of this Beetonic machine is that it can be performed over clothing. So how the technology works is it's electromagnetic wave induction therapy, and basically the magnetic waves are so powerful that it can actually work through up to 3 layers of clothing. So it's the perfect treatment for coming out of lockdown, not just for toning, reducing fat, but also from the convenience purposes of coming in fully clothed, and we're able to perform the treatment while you're wearing mask, gloves and also VR as well. So the handle can be placed on any area of the body, so we can do stomach, so it really creates abs in about 2 weeks. You can do arms, you can do thighs, you can do bum, back of thighs, back. It really adapts to any area. So the machine does come with 2 handles, and one session is only 20 to 30 minutes, so it's a really quick session. There's no gel, no oil, no messy products involved. So all I've done is I have Fiona on the bed and I've set her up with the handle, so I've placed it just directly over the abs, making sure that I'm in between the ribs, and I've just secured it with our strap. Now because it's Fiona's first session, I'm going to start with a medium intensity, but the intensities can vary from low, medium to high. Medium is a great starter, especially if you have done any form of exercise in the past. High would be a slightly more advanced, bit more intense with the contractions. So I'm just going to set the machine here, abdomen. Okay, so are you ready to go? Yes. I'll just put this on for. So you'll start to feel just a fast contraction. It shouldn't feel painful. However, tomorrow you may feel a little bit achy because it's like doing a gym workout 4 times over. Okay? Feel it? Feeling good? Yeah. Comfortable? Yeah. So everything's preset to give basically the perfect treatment. So while you're having your treatment, the therapist can actually leave the room, and we would just come back through to remove the handpiece. So if you want to fall asleep, you can do some work on your phone, or you can just lie and relax. It's completely up to yourself. How's that feeling? Right. Yeah? Strange? Yeah. So a lot of people will ask us the difference because there's so many different products for muscle toning, and the most well-known one is the one that you can buy at home that you stick on, like the Slender Tone belts. Now the difference is that one of these belts is actually EMS technology, which is just electric muscle stimulation. Now with EMS technology, the contractions are very superficial, and it also needs a conductive gel because it works in an electrical circuit. So if you have any layers of subcutaneous fat on top of the muscle, one of these belts will not actually penetrate the core of the muscle. With electromagnetic wave induction therapy, we're actually going straight into the belly of the muscle. So it's like you're heating the muscle and working the muscle from the inside out, which is then working to build and grow the muscle to become harder. And as the muscle is increasing its metabolic rate, the layers of fat are automatically burning at the same time. Okay, so the best course of this treatment to see the most maximum results is actually booking a course of 10. Now we're very specific as to when you would have this course of 10. So in your first 14 days, you actually would have 2 sessions per week. So in 2 weeks you have 4 out of your 10. We then advise to break for 1 whole month, and the reason is that because the muscle has been worked so intensively, it needs 30 days to actually recover. However, if you were looking to build muscle, you can maintain the treatments more frequently. That's if you were looking for more of a bodybuilding result. So for the average person, having that 30 days rest in between, we won't actually build muscle, but we're giving the muscle time to repair, recover, and it will just actually harden. After the break of the 30 days, you would then follow your 6 sessions by having 1 per month. And after you've completed the 10, you can maintain every couple of months if you would like to. However, this is the most optimal result, and you can start to change with different body parts. But what you'll find is because you've engaged the muscle from the core in everyday tasks, that muscle is going to be active, so your results maintain just by your normal day-to-day lifestyle.